Well, here we are again, and we are back out in the deeps. Now, I might have said on the last video that was probably going to be the last video out, but we actually were thinking of bringing the boat in the other day because there was a storm coming and a 10-meter tide, and that's not good when you've got a bay mooring for that sort of thing. But the storm sort of cut across us. We did get part of it, but the winds went into a sheltered direction, and we had the biggest swell ever, about 8-foot swell I think it was. But we left the boat down. We minimised on it. You might better see there that we've actually got the dinghy engine, the reserve one, not the normal one that we carry on the boat, but it'll do. And we took a lot of the gear off. But anyway, we're back, and there's possibly going to be more of these videos because we do have some that we've already taken that I just haven't got around to working on yet, but we will get to that. And right now I'm going to show you the definition of Sod's Law. So you carry a rod all year in your boat, a spare rod. Then the other day when we went in, we took that in as well. We took any clutter off the boat that wasn't required. And today we come out and I've lost the eye on my rod. And that, my friends, is the definition of Sod's Law. So anyway, I'm going to try and keep fishing. I'll fish off the side. I've got the spinning rod I can use if I need to. Might be a bit of a problem if I get a 30-pound cod or something, but we'll figure it out. We'll make it work. Right, so right now we're going to get into position and we'll get back to you when we're fishing. Right, here we go. Same sort of setup, little bit of mackerel. I've only got mackerel on, I'll put a lure on in a minute. But reel again. Let's get your line down first. You want to sit down and fishing. Yeah, so we've got some pretty heavy weather. Even today there's a swell, but the wind is sort of over that way, which isn't too bad. And it's going to get up a little bit later. This will only be a short trip because it is supposed to pick up a little bit later on. And of course the tides, you've got to get the tides right. I found for this place, it's no good fishing it at the wrong time. Right. Well, Rebecca's into the first fish. We didn't actually catch anything on the first drift, but we're on our second drift now. They're only shortish drifts, they're not long. But I've had no bites at all. Rebecca's just had this, whatever this is. What do you reckon?
I'm going to say it's bream again. That's what I'm going with.
She's going with bream. Oh, I might be getting bites. I had something grab hold of it. Maybe the squid turned up down. That was official. Get the net ready. Get one bream. Nice. First fish of the morning.
Look at that, it only just made it into the boat.
Yep, that's why I got the net out.
Yeah.
There we go. First bream, first fish of the morning. Great stuff. And off he goes. So I was just banging the bottom and hooked a fish. Feels like a mackerel, to be honest. Took it very quickly, didn't mess around. We haven't really had many bites at all. We've had a few over there and that was it. They left the bait. Might be a bream, you know, they hit it hard, especially if it's murky, they'll be onto it quick. Hopefully you can see alright there, because the sun is a bit glary. Here it comes. Oh, it's double fish. Bottom one. Double bream, eh? You go from catching absolutely nothing to then catching two in one go. Got a nice one in there, and that one there as well, that's alright. They're a decent size. I'll just quickly show you these ones. So you got that one there, decent, and got that one there which is even bigger. So there you go. And Rebecca's about to bring one in, which I'll show you in a minute. I'm just going to get down to the bottom because fishing's been very lean, so we want to get onto them as quick as we can if they're there. Don't want to be missing them. There we go, there's another one. There's another one, another nice one. They're decent size though, they're not giants, but they're that perfect sort of size, you know. You get a lovely fillet out of those. They're not the sort of ones that you'd need to leave whole because they're too small for, not too small, but not as big as the others. Back into fish again. Feels a bit heavier, this one. I gave it time, this one. I said there might be two on there because I sort of hung around. I thought, well, maybe I can pick up two. Definitely got a bit more pump to it, this one. Comes. Double. Wow, that's a good one.
Yeah.
That's a cracker, that bottom
That's
one.
a nice one, that one.
The top one's nice, bottom is
Yeah.
huge.
Yeah.
Let me just get that out.
Beauty.
There it is. Them teeth on them, eh? Look at
I
that.
know,
That's
little piranhas,
That's a
aren't
good
they?
sized fish, that is. Biggest one so far. Hopefully we'll get some more. Let's have a look at the bouncy fish. I've got the landing net ready, just in case it tries to bounce anywhere. There it is, it's a bouncy fish. Double bounce. Yeah, I'm getting bites, so I'm going to put the camera down so you'll have to view the situation from there. Biggie bream. I actually thought they were going to go a small fish, but it might have been little fish hitting it and then the big one. Getting into some fish again. Feels a bit different, this fish. Maybe a pollock. Probably a bream, but the power dive again at the beginning felt more like a pollock, you know? Maybe it's an outlet. Probably a bream. We'll find out. Here it goes. Whoa! Big bream. Big fish. There's a big one. Yeesh. Look at that beauty. That's got to top the best one today, I would say. The other one was big. I think that one's got the edge. Put it back to keep it. Put it back. Shows, the big ones, the way they grab it when it comes up. Another nice one. Got your bait mix you have. Got into a fish again. Quite a bit of fight on it to start with. Probably green again, it seems to be all green today. At the moment anyway, maybe when the tide picks up a little bit we might see a pollock or something else. See what I mean? Rebecca's got one as well. why it felt heavy. Foul locked on the outside. One fishing booth. I'm going to go with a big one. I'm going to go with a big one. That's the last one. That's a whizzy fish. So she's had the bouncy fish, now she's got the whizzy fish. It's a whizzy fish. They'll be bouncing. They'll be bouncing and whizzing today.
Yeah.
Oh, my line's not going out because I'm not coming in. There's me trying to rush to get down. Yep, nice. The box is filling up nicely with decent sized fish. Good one. Prime. Rebecca's into a fish.
Like just a wet cloth.
It's backwards. Hey, it's the first different fish in the morning.
Yeah. It's a backwards horse.
It's a horse mackerel or a scad. Yeah. Oh well, got some fresh bait if we need it. Don't think we'll need it, but if we need it, we've got some. They work as well for bait as well as mackerel. Rebecca's hooked a fish. What this will be? Hopefully something different. Get back. Bucket, yeah. 3 minutes fought hard to start with, you know. It is green, and I think we're going to end this session here. I think we'll let the last one go, eh?
Yeah, why not?
There we go. That's where we're going to end this session. Now we are going to go off and see if there's any bass around the rocks close into the shore, so we'll give that a go. Obviously if we get into anything we'll film it, and then we're just going to go and check our 2 pots that we've got in the bay. But it's been alright. We've had around 20-30 bream. Obviously we put some back. 1 horse mackerel Rebecca had. That's kind of it. It's been very quiet today, but I suppose after a big storm it's pushed the fish around a bit and you're not seeing the numbers. But that's fine. I mean, we only came out here for a bit of fun. It's a bit of extra fishing this year, this time of year, so. Right, let's get going. top of the reef. Hopefully the bob is just blowing out. Right, well, we did give it a quick go for bass, but it's a waste of time. The water's so murky out there, and just nothing at all. It's not even a take or anything. Anyway, I'm going to pull out a couple of pots now. I can see one of them, I can't see the other one. Oh, it's over there, I see it. So we're going to see if we got anything in these. We only checked them yesterday, so let's get that out of the way. Oh, it looks heavy. I think we came a little bit further back this time than we did last time. Just find lots of them.
A little lobster.
There is. It's not the same one that was in there yesterday. I think it is. It is the same one with the small claw. It just shows that the same lobsters keep going back in the pots. So there you have it. Keep it there. You wanna. As soon as you got the gloves on, there's the gloves. It's the one with the cod in it. That's the same one we had yesterday, just undersized with a little claw. They do keep going back in. We had one time, we lifted the pot 3 times, it was the same lobster. Even though we moved the pot's position, still went to it. Nearly, hold on, almost. Let it go there. It's very awkward trying to set them when it's not low tide. In these shallow areas.
So yeah, sticking outside.
Yep.
Yep.
Does it again. Spiders and a nice lobster. There we go.
Nice.
Nice size male lobster. Perfect. It's funny how getting one a day.
Yep.
2 pots.
2 pots, 50%.
Either getting 1 lobster a day or we've had a shanker a day. Or a brown crab. A big one. Okay, it's only a 4th or 5th lift, but it's doing alright. Just for the bait anyway. Lovely. That finishes the day off nicely. Right, back there again, I suppose. Seems to be working out there quite well. You could throw that last mackerel, that's bait mackerel in there that's been defrosted. Well, the gentle breeze is back.